It's a Jag. Okay. Ignore that. I'm going to have to fix that wiring. It's come off again. Redo that. So anyway, what we're doing today is I've still got the starting issue. And I've got the glow plugs out. So I'm going to go through testing the glow plugs. Obviously you have to remove your inlet manifold. That's in one of my other videos. It shows you how to do that. So I'm going to go through how to test the glow plugs. So very simple setup. You have your negative, a bit of wire, whatever wire, it doesn't matter. So let me place the camera down and I'll show you what I'm going to do. So you get your glow plug, you put the negative on this side above this conductor, I believe it is, and that obviously is your positive. Let's see if I can get this set up. Get some pliers. I haven't got that right, so hang on. Okay, that should be alright. And then you just place it on the positive part. And you'll see the glow plug. If it's good, it lights up. As you can see, it's lighting up, albeit slowly. So I think this needs replacement. Definitely, it's too slow, that. And I'll show you the next one. This is a non-working one. See? Absolutely nothing. So that's one way to test your glow plug. So I'm going to need a new set, which I'm going to order right now. So, quick video. Thanks for watching. See you again.